I'd like to thank everybody for coming. I'm not going to waste any time, I'm just going to cut right to the chase. Yes, it is true. I've been in talks with New Line Wrestling. And yes, it is true. They have made me an offer. So with that being said, I'm here to let everybody know. Storm's coming, and it's coming to NLW. I, Hurricane J, am going to smash through the competition, and I, Hurricane J, am going to become the first champion of New Line Wrestling. Oh, and one other thing before I go, I got a bit of a surprise for you. Come on, bro.
Let's grab somebody with a camera, with a phone or something. Let's get a photo out. There we go. Yeah. I've said before in the past that I manage multiple guys, and this happens to be one of my guys. I'm Rob Cummings, he's Hurricane J, and he has the tools to take New Line Wrestling by storm.